Hey there, horsey fanatics! Welcome back to another tutorial video. Today we are on Blizzard Island. Here you have the chance of capturing IUH colors Icy White, Icy Blue, Icy Pink, and Icy Black. Let's get started on locating all the spawn points. When you spawn in by the docks, you're going to climb uphill. Your first horse spawn will be up here on either side. Right now, it's on the right side, but can be on the left. Cross this arch to get there. It can also be just down below. The second horse will be over on Snowman Island. Follow me. Here it is. Let's cut straight across for horses 3, 4, 5, and 6. These horses will all be along this field. Horses 3 and 4 are close together, and horses 5 and 6 are just up ahead. Horses 5 can spawn here or on over here. Here is number 6. On ahead is horse number 7. It can spawn in this general area. There are 2 more horses left. You're going to go behind the town on this hill, and there you will find horse number 8. Your last horse will spawn down below on or by the frozen lake. It can spawn here on the lake in these 2 spots. Or anywhere up here around this hill on the lake side. That's it, you guys. All 9 of the spawn points on Blizzard Island. I hope this makes hunting Blizzard a little easier for you. This is a smaller island, so it's perfect for beginners to hunt on since all the spawn points are relatively close together. Thanks for watching. Have a happy horsey day. Subscribe for more Wild Horse Island content. See you again soon. Bye!